Welcome to our guide on one of the most critical terms in the global apparel trade, FOB, or free on board. If you're sourcing clothing from overseas, you'll encounter this term in over 70% of export transactions. But what does it really mean for your business? Let's break it down. First, what is FOB? Free on board is an international shipping term that defines the point at which the responsibility for goods transfers from the seller, the garment manufacturer, to the buyer. Think of it as a clear handover point in the supply chain. Let's walk through the process. Under an FOB agreement, the manufacturer's duties are extensive. They handle the entire production process, from sourcing the fabrics and accessories to cutting, sewing, and finishing the garments. They are also responsible for quality control, packaging the order, and transporting the finished goods to the specified port of departure. Their responsibility ends once the cargo is loaded on board the shipping vessel. This is the crucial handover moment. As soon as the goods are on the ship, the buyer takes over. From this point forward, the buyer is responsible for the sea freight costs, insurance for the journey, and all subsequent logistics, including unloading at the destination port, customs clearance in the importing country, and transportation to their final warehouse. So, what's included in the FOB price you're quoted? The FOB price is a bundle of costs. It includes the actual cost of producing the garments, all necessary raw materials, the cost of transporting the goods from the factory to the port, and the fees for clearing the goods for export. It's a comprehensive price for getting your order ready to ship. Why do so many experienced fashion buyers prefer FOB agreements? The primary reason is control. By taking charge of the main sea freight, buyers can often negotiate better shipping rates and choose their preferred carriers and schedules. For larger orders, this control can lead to significant cost savings and more reliable delivery time. It separates the manufacturing cost from the international logistics, giving you transparency and power over a huge chunk of your supply chain expenses. It's also helpful to understand how FOB differs from other terms, like CMT, which stands for cut, make, and trim. In a CMT arrangement, the buyer sources and provides all the raw materials to the factory. The factory simply charges for the service of cutting the fabric, sewing the garments, and adding the trims. FOB is much more comprehensive, as the manufacturer handles everything from the start right up to the shipping port. One of the most critical details in any FOB contract is clearly specifying the port of origin. For example, FOB Ho Chi Minh City Port means the seller's price covers everything until the goods are loaded onto a vessel at that specific Vietnamese port. Any ambiguity here can lead to confusion and unexpected costs, so always ensure the port is clearly named in your agreement. Let's imagine a real-world scenario. Say you're a brand in New York ordering 20,000 custom T-shirts from a factory in Vietnam. Under an FOB Ho Chi Minh City Port agreement, your Vietnamese supplier will produce the shirts, package them, and transport them to the Ho Chi Minh City port. Handling the export customs. Once the container is loaded onto the ship, you take over it. You'll pay for the ocean journey to New York, the insurance, and the final delivery to your distribution center. In summary, FOB is more than just a price, it's a collaborative framework. It allows the manufacturer to manage the production and export process efficiently while giving you, buyer, complete control over the expensive and complex international shipping leg of the journey. It's a system built on a clear division of costs and responsibilities, making it a cornerstone of the modern garment industry.